और दोस्तों, मेरा नाम हेमंत कुमार जैन है। मैंने अपने कैरियर में काफ़ी इंडस्ट्री में काम किया है, बोथ इंडियन एंड एमएनसी में। ड्यूरिंग माई कैरियर आई गॉट अपॉर्चुनिटी टू वर्क इन various sections or departments like engineering, logistics, HR administration, purchase department. During my professional career, I also that various type of challenges are faced by the youngsters, or I can say the freshers, when they join the company, and also by the middle management people during their career. So, which is quite common. What happens when the student, or I can say candidate, joins a company after coming from the college? He is having the knowledge from the books only or through the lectures. And when he joins a company, he finds a different environment. यहाँ पे there is no friends, no students. He is an employee. Now here he has to deliver. Initially he is not able to understand what to do. If he is able to get a good mentor, it is very, very good for him. If no, then he has to struggle a lot. Then I thought how to solve this problem or how to address these issues after my retirement. So I decided to write a book which can give the practical insight to the professionals who are working in the industries, irrespective of the business of the company. So I discussed this issue with some of my colleagues also and some of my friends who are working in other industries. What type of issues other employees face during their career. So they also share similar type of issues are available and challenges are there. If the candidate is quite good and having the capability of self-developing, then he picks up very fast. If he is having a good mentor, he picks up very fast. But there are areas or there are companies in which such type of facilities, or I can say mentors, are not available. Then it is an issue for them. So I captured their experience also, and I try to list down my experience also, and decided to write a book which can give an insight to the reader what type of issues are there and how to solve them. These are only the reference. They may not be the actual issues in the industries with everyone. So I decided to write a book which I am calling a guide. The name is Challenge to Survive. So I gathered all the experiences and wrote down in the book. In this book, I have tried to touch the issues with examples faced by anyone, irrespective of departments, whether he is working in engineering industry, engineering department, logistics, finance, HR and administration, or dealing in the labor union, etc. So you can find the examples of such things in the book. So it may be very useful for all who are working in the industries. And nowadays, there is one more challenge which I am observing. It is the job rotation. It is quite good also, because when you are working in an industry and you are having certain skills and competencies are developed, management also observe you. Then they try to use your skills and competencies in some other areas, which some people are reluctant to accept and some accept it happily. But my suggestion is it should be accepted, because it will give you a more idea about the working in the industries. You will come to know the various type of cultures in other governments also, and you can use those skills and competencies over there. So here I discuss those issues also with some examples. So it can be a reference again for the employees who are working in this type of situation. So this book shall not only help the professionals in the industry, but I think it will shall be helpful for the students also who are studying in the college in their final years. So my request is, please go through this book, have a deep understanding about the book, and try to understand what type of issues has been highlighted and how they were solved. So it will be definitely helpful for everybody, because various type of approaches has been mentioned in this book, like problem solving, how to handle the different situations, never give up approach also. So please read this book, give your feedback to us, and share with your colleagues or friends also, so that improvements can be done in my next book. This book is available on Amazon platform. You can buy this book from there. It is available both in hard and soft form. Thank you.